Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna be sharing with you some information, simple information that could save you thousands of dollars in repair. Let's start. First simple thing is your air filter. It's very important. Why? Because the air is important element for the combustion inside the engine. So the engine, for a proper combustion, it needs air and fuel. So if your air filter is clogged up and not enough air passed through, so then it's not gonna be a proper combustion in there and your car won't be efficient. The car will be consuming more gas, you're gonna be paying more at the pump, and number two, when your air filter is clogged up, so it won't be enough air inside the engine. What the engine has to do? The engine has to dump more fuel to complete the combustion. The engine can't burn all that fuel, so some of the fuel will be unburned. Some of that unburned fuel will be dumped into your exhaust system. It's going to your catalytic converter. And that's the worst enemy, is unburned fuel. It's the worst enemy for your catalytic converter. It's gonna get clogged up fast. It's faster than you think. It's thousands of dollars to repair catalytic converter. It's not cheap. That's why these days there is a common situation where people, they steal catalytic converter from cars. Some people, for real, they come at night, cut your exhaust pipe to steal your catalytic converter, and you're stuck with big bill. So that's number one. Number two is spark plugs. They are important just like the air filter. You have to replace these spark plugs to get fuel efficiency. If you don't replace them, your engine, same thing, it won't be efficient. It will dump unburned fuel, same thing like the air filter. And that unburned fuel will go to your exhaust system and get your catalytic converter clogged. Will lead to the same problem. You have to replace your catalytic converter, and that's very expensive thing. So what's proper thing to do is change your air filter once a year, change your spark plugs as recommended by the manufacturer, and that's it. Save money on gas and save your catalytic converter. Please subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends and family, and follow us on the social media down below, and see you in the next video.